Please calm down now. Let me open it so that people will see what is inside. Yumi, do you know what is inside? It's going to. Who told you? It's going to be a surprise. Let me open it. Okay. It's going to be our night food. Okay. Okay. The mama will cook. Everybody will eat. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Wow. Zembo unripe. They did not mix it though. Are you for real? Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Papa did not mix it though. This is plantain. You don't want unripe? Papa did not mix it.
I don't want to eat banana plantain. This is banana plantain.
Zembo is just like this. I thought Papa mixed it.
Don't touch knife. Don't touch knife. Don't touch knife.
But nevertheless, I feel it will ripe by itself because the weather is hot. The weather is very hot, so I feel it will ripe maybe 2-3 days. Some of them will ripe, okay? But this is going to be our night food this night. And me, yeah. Oh. So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube space. My name is Ugo and thank you so much for stopping by. If today is your first time, and as well do the needful, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I drop a new video you get to be notified. Okay, I don't even know if I know how to do it again. Oh, it's been long. Kai, people should beg me to come back. Oh, I want to come back, but I think people should beg me. Maybe I need somebody to beg me. Say, Ugo Bikono, go please come back to YouTube. Okay, I want to. Yeah, and don't mind me. I just finished eating night food, and yeah, I want to do some unboxing with you guys this night. Okay, this is actually evening here. This is 9:27. Yeah, after this video I'll go and put my kid to sleep. I think that's my next job this night. So I am actually not I'm using my ring light, but I did not on the light. Yeah, because this wire could not go that far to where I can socket it. So I am actually using my house light up here, just at the center here. So I think it's enough for me. I think what I'm seeing, the visual is enough for me, but I don't know for you. But this is night. In case you don't like the video background, or is my face too heavy? I don't know. I've just removed the Megane. Yeah, I just want this video to be fine, so that's why I'm trying my best to beautify it. But nevertheless, we are still going to do an unboxing kita this evening, okay? And relax and enjoy the rest of the vlog with me. See guys, I got an order. I ordered for some stuffs that should be, it's not up to 2 weeks, shall that was done by my husband. So people should tell him thank you, sir, in the comment section. Let me, before I forget, okay? So people should greet him for me. He was the one that gifted me with all this at the end of the day. And this order came in this evening. The tops, they are so beautiful. Yeah, online they are looking so beautiful. I bought kind of, they say this Japanese 4L, that should be normal XL or something like that. Japanese, they are small, so we don't buy with their size. If I'm wearing like L, you know that it's going to be like, let me say 3L, as in their own is, we are bigger than them, so you kind of multiply and subtract. Okay, yeah. So I bought this. This is summer. No, not summer. Actually, winter clothes. Yeah, because summer is actually fading out. Yeah, this is September. Very soon we'll enter October, and October is not that cold at the end of the day, but it is still not summer. Yeah, so that's my point. So let's unbox this stuff. No, leave her, my children. They don't leave her. Come, let me use your head and sample my wig. Come, let me use your head and sample my fine wigs. That's my boy. That's my boy. My children, they can drag. Yeah, put this on. I don't want to start with wigs. Hey, fine boy. Hey, fine boy. I think I love this one most at the end of the day. Wait now, see what he's doing. But because I made my hair, so that's why I cannot use my hair at all. I did crochet at the end of the day. Kobe, come now, come and show us your face here. See the back. Kobe don't want to turn his face, but nevertheless, go. Come by stage by stage. Let me start with my clothes. Okay.
Wow.
Mimi, stop it. Take another one. Take this one away. See the way I'm messing my stuffs up because of these people, so that they will give me the audience to do this thing that I want to do. I never take thumbnail though. I take thumbnail. Okay, yeah. So I'll use this one as my thumbnail, or like this. Okay, yeah. So at the end of the day, no, don't touch it. Pick it up, pick it up. I ordered for winter. That's for you here. Don't touch, Mimi. Don't touch. Watch your iPad. Don't touch. Nobody should touch, okay? I said don't touch. Ride your bike and go. Ride it and go. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Put tomato to that side. Okay. Kobe, stop. You push it. This is my fine top. And this is another color.
This is your fine top.
Yeah, and this is the second color. Okay. And let's open it. Let's open it. Wow. I love this. This is like kind of packer. Yeah. Top. Yeah. So check it out. Check it out. This one they said is somebody's problem. That's my own wahala. Okay, wakata. You understand? That's what I say in Nihongo. It's my own wahala. Somebody's problem. That's my own problem. Okay. So this is it. This is this one. Fine. I'll put it on at the end of the day. I think so. If I can, maybe I have to. Wow, it's beautiful. Sugoine. Mama no desho. Dare no. Mama no. Kawaii. Kawaii. My daughter said it's fine. Mama kawaii. Mama kawaii. Mama is beautiful. Wow. And this is the second one. Maybe I'll order for more because I love what I'm seeing. This is the second one. But this is actually XL. I don't know whether I should order kind of smaller, because in Japanese size this is I ordered for like they said is 4L, agree? 4L. That's how they will say it. Japanese size 4L. So they will now tell you maybe the actual size you get. So this is it. Is it not beautiful? I beg, this is beautiful. I need to wear it so that people will see it. But short of matter, let's finish. Then after that, I'll wear it. Okay. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me just hurry up. Let me hurry up. Then my wig. Oh my god, I love this one so much. I love this Ifenkili. I love this wig, eh? I love this wig with all my heart. Yes, yes. I love it like that with all my heart. I don't like too long or too short, but I think I love this one with all my heart. Yeah, I love this wig. Is this not beautiful? I'll just comb it and set it, okay? It's hot combing. Yeah, this is one of them. One of my babies. One of my newest babies in this house that I don't joke with. Wow. This is another one. Stop it. Yamete kore. Don't drag it. Please pardon me. My children are here. They are disturbing. Then this is another week from my darling husband. Woo. Voila, for who no get husband. So this is another week. This is another week. I love this week so much. Mimi, remove your hand. Oh mama, where's your bike? Remove your hand. I don't want to shout. Wait, see. Well, come and show your face. It's okay. My dear brothers and sisters, you know this tripod there is not strong. The way this thing is doing kwekere, talk more of to allow this small pikin to come and touch it. That means it don't break already now. So that's why I'm chasing her like EGG fly. Let her not near my tripod though, I beg. Make I chase her like that though. So that she will not spoil it for me. Wow, this is another baby from my husband. Actually, I love this color, I love this color with all my heart. Golden color is my best color. At the end of the day, golden color is my best color. And this is another new package in my life where I never use. People should tell me to lose this one so that I will start to rocking all these babies around me. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is another baby. Ifoya Atarashi. Ifoya is a new one. I never use them. I never touch them. Yeah, this is another baby. Okay, it's not a cup. This is another baby. This one is so full. This one is so full. This one is so full. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Tell me. What are you thinking? What do you think? Yeah, this one stay here. And Chotomate Kudasai. The dada is on the floor. My children. Yeah. Don't mind me. This thing is Atarashi. I've not used it. But these children, that is unboxing. I will still go and hide it where I used to hide my things. Chotomate Kudasai. Okay, this is the front. I love this one is Ichiban. I love this one most. I cannot wait to lose my hair. If you know me, you know I used to like all these ajibo, dada stuff growing up, okay? And it is still in me. So I love this one most, Ichiban. So tell my husband thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for gracing this your beautiful wife with all these hairs. Okay, and the last, this one that Kobe is putting on his head. That's this. This is it. That is this. This is it. Look at it. Atarashi. I have not used it at the end of the day. I've not used it. It's still Atarashi. And this one is long. It's dada, but it's long. Yeah. Double color. Okay. Whereas this one is the short one. Okay, you can see me here. This one is the short one, and this one is the long one. Yeah, the long dada. Okay. And I think I should be rounding up. Let me see if I can wear this one on top of this one. Let's see how it goes, so that we'll end this unboxing vlog. Ichine-san. Ichine-san. Who no go no. Even the me yourself. Oh my go mma. I never even wear them. I don't they shine. That's what I'm saying in Igbo. I never even wear them. I don't they shine. Hey, see fine girl. I love it, Biko. Biko Ibiawaze. I can't wait. I'm getting ready on time. Yeah, I love the fact that the hand is longer than, you understand. You can just put your hand inside. You know, Japan is so cold. Japan is so cold. So I love the fact that I can put my hand inside. Okay, even if I'm driving like this, my hand is inside. Yeah. So let's test. I love it. When I say I love it with all my heart. That's what I mean. I love it. Yeah. Then this is the next one. Wow. Wow. This one looks so authentic. Wow. Makatamma. This girl too fine. You fine, Joe. So this is the second one. Wow. I love this packer, man. I love this packer, man. I love this packer. Can you feel me? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section, okay? I'm loving what I'm saying. I don't know about you. So tell me what you feel in the comment section below. And I think this is going to be the end of this video. Yeah. So if you have watched up to this point, as usual, thank you so much, okay? Wow. I'm loving my clothes. So that's why I'm doing like this. Okay? So forgive me. So if you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. And do the needful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, do the necessary, what you know you should do. Okay, and this is me saying thank you so much for stopping by. Look at me, I don't even know how to close vlog again. It's been long. People should beg me to come back. I don't talk on before. Okay, just beg me, say Ugo Natazi. Okay, then I'll come back. Okay, and bye. I'll see you guys again in my next video. For now, we're saying sayonara, jane, matane, bye.